morning, everybody. It's almost afternoon. There's a great tsunami warning here in Hawaii, so I have headed for high ground, and I'm going to work on the motorcycle, so I have a little project for us today. So we just got this, ordered it online for this, and apparently what this thing's going to do is it's going to quiet the bike down a little bit, because I think it's at about 104 decibels, which is ridiculously loud with the new pipe, and this is supposed to take it down to an almost street legal level, so we'll see about that. So first thing we have to do is take the tail cone off the exhaust and then install this. So we'll get to that. There we go. Tail cone's off. Okay, with all that, like that, it's kind of complicated to do one-handed, but apparently this product doesn't work super good with the spark arrestor. So we had to chase some geckos out of here, but there it is. And it is quite a bit quieter, surprisingly. Has a definite different sound. It's still pretty loud. As promised, here is the this was the 005 p1x race pipe power tip. That's what we just installed. Came straight from twobrothers Racing, and they shipped it all the way to Hawaii in a very timely manner. So if you have this pipe, I recommend putting this cutie little tip in there to make it not so obnoxiously loud and sounds like a helicopter. It really used to sound like a helicopter. Now it sounds like a motorcycle again.